Okay, for this Google training, we're going to start off with Google Chrome. Because you're using Google, if you use Chrome, everything seems to work a little bit more nicely through using the Google apps that work with each other. Okay, so we're going to start off with what the Omnibox is. So at the top here, where you type in the web address, that is your Omnibox. So if we search for the Adidas websites, we can go to it. It'll give us our search engine. And then the next thing we can do, if we want, is to favorite that site. So the star at the end is how we can favorite the site. So if I've added that to my list of websites, you'll be able to see that in the drop down at the end of my favorites, you'll see all of these here. If I right click on those and I go to my bookmark manager, if I go down to the Adidas one, you'll be able to see all of the small symbols at the side. These are called favicons. So what we'll be able to do is, if we edit it, we can just delete the whole name, which leaves us with just the Adidas logo, and then we can move it up. So that when we then open a new toolbar, you can see that the Adidas website is then there, and we can identify it using the favicon that's on there. Okay. One of the other things that pupils like to do, or that you may like to do, is to customize your screen. So down in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen here, we've got the customize. You can select from different backgrounds. You can edit the shortcuts that you have at the bottom, and you can also change the color and theme that you have on your Google home pages. Okay, so that's the customize down at the bottom. We're also able to change the settings for our screen. So if you're finding that you can't fit everything on, if you go up to the three dots at the top, just by your initial where you should have logged in the settings, you can then find all the settings that you need to change the appearance. You can zoom in and out, make it look a little bit more to your taste so that you can see everything that you want to on the screen. Okay, the next thing is the waffle. In the top right-hand corner of your screen here, we have the waffle. And what that allows you to do is to access all of the Google apps that you have available through your Google G Suite. So because we're using the G Suite, it's the education edition, you'll be able to see what's being allowed through your administrator. So in Wales, everything that's been allowed through Hub is right here in these. So from there, if we wanted to open a Google Doc, sheet or slide, or any of the other apps, that they are all in there. Okay, at the top here, next to the Omnibox, we have our Chromebook extensions, or our Google extensions. We've got Screencastify, which can be used to record the screen to give small tutorials or videos that you want to record for your classes. There's a link to your Google Classroom. And that's everything really that we should need to know about the Google desktop. So with Google Chrome, that's our starting point.